Hi, welcome back. Since fall is around the corner, I thought I'd make a table runner, a fall table runner, and a little fall centerpiece to go with it. First thing we're going to do is the table runner. I've cut out everything here. I cut out a piece of burlap that's 32 inches by 15 inches. You can make it whatever size you want or whatever shape you want. I have a long table that I want to put this on, so I thought it would just be a long rectangle that I'd make. And I've made some binding already, so I just cut, let me get the fabric here. So I had a roll of this that I've been looking, what can I use this for? And I thought it had the perfect fall colors that were going to be in the leaves. So I thought it might go nice as a binding around the edge. So to make the binding, I cut the fabric along this angle here, 2 inches wide. And then I cut up some strips and sewed them together. Get that out of the way. And then I pressed it in to make bias tape. And for my leaves, what I did was I drew leaves the best to my ability. And what I cut it out on a piece of, like, I wanted to use something that was easy to trace, so I just got an old file folder and cut them out. I thought 3 different style leaves would be good. So that's my impression of an oak leaf, a maple leaf, and a common leaf. And then I just cut them, so I cut that out, and then I got little scraps of fabric, and then I used some lightweight heat and bond. It comes in a roll, and I just cut out a piece and ironed it on, pressed it onto the fabric so it looks like this. And then I traced, after I did that, I traced the leaf onto the fabric and then cut it out. It's easier to cut it out and trace it that way. And then after you're done that, you're going to peel off the back, and I'll have a little shiny side to it, because after we arrange our leaves onto here, we can iron it down, and then we're going to stitch around them. So I've put my leaves on the burlap, and I've just placed them not quite symmetrical and perfect because leaves are very random. So I just wanted it a little like evenly proportioned around the 4 sides. So all we have to do now is press them on. And then they'll stay in place as we're sewing them. So now that we have the table runner made, we're going to be making the centerpieces. So now we're going to be making some pumpkins to go in the center of our table runner. So the one I made already, I used a 13 by 7 inch piece of fabric. The one we're going to make now is going to be a little smaller, and it's going to be 13 by 5 inches. And you're going to need some stuffing for this and some jute rope or twine or whatever you'd like to use. So sewn across the top in the largest stitch possible, and I'm going to take one end on each side. We're going to pull it tight and tie a knot. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun to make. I love the colors of the leaves in the fall. What are your favorite things about fall? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and have a great day.